Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today was crazy. Somehow I managed to pull out a profit. Did involve averaging down. I'm going to talk about that a little bit. What we traded today was the SPY. As you guys remember from the previous video, we did sell out of the Bank of America puts. We sold those at a loss. With all that being said, we actually ended up buying SPY puts. We bought 10 SPY puts, and this position is down, this position is down, this position is down. How the hell are we making money? Well, we averaged down. So take a look here, the total returns. Basically, two of them are winners, one of them is a loser. If we didn't do anything, we would have ended the day negative 400 instead of being positive $400. Let's talk about the SPY. Let's hop right into it. Again, nothing was happening. There was no major catalyst, no news, no tweet, absolutely nothing going on besides the market. Again, it was kind of crazy. It did hit a new 52-week high. I just didn't see any way that the market was going to push higher without something. The Fed's out of the way. Nothing going on really. With all that being said, I'm like, wow, I can't believe I'm going to end up losing on these SPY puts. I didn't give up. There was momentum going. I had a feeling. Again, I never trade off of feelings. We kind of focus on facts here. The facts were basically 52-week highs, no catalyst pushing us forward. There was only one thing left to do, is to average down. It was the only logical sense. But that being said, I'm kind of glad we did. We are holding risky investments here. The 302s, which we are basically $1 in the money, are expiring tomorrow, and the 301 puts are also expiring tomorrow as well. This kind of gave me confidence to hold it with the reversal. I was going to sell out roughly around 2 o'clock, which was somewhere around here. I was like, okay, this is becoming kind of a risky investment. But then with the massive pull down, I just held on to it. And with all that being said, we're taking a huge gamble here. But I want to talk about the profits, the potential profits to look at. Let's look at the 1-week chart of the SPY. So yesterday, before the Fed made the announcement, well, right after the announcement, the SPY did dip down to the 298 mark area. There was support here, and it was a massive rally back up forward here. Now, you know, if you ask a 2-year-old, where is this going? You had a downtrend, super downtrend, uptrend, and then now we're going back in a downtrend. So again, if the SPY closes around the 298 mark area, we own a total of 22 contracts. If we're, you know, $4 in the money, you know, with that being said, if each contract is worth roughly, let's say $4, average it down, which is $400, and we have 22 of them, so we could potentially make $8,000 tomorrow. That's the goal. Will it happen? I'm not sure, but it possibly can. There's only one direction from here. It's down. I don't really see any way of us going up without any news coming out. There were some reports with China-US trade talks going sour. There's a lot of reasons why the market turned around. Take a look here. Matter of fact, the Dow was trending up all day, and then it took a major reversal down about a half a percent, which is huge because again, it was hitting almost all-time highs. Same thing with the SPY, just massive downtrend, and I think this is going to continue tomorrow. So I'm kind of happy of holding position, even though they're expiring tomorrow. How's the game plan? Well, I'm glad. I am going to make a video tomorrow. I want you guys to watch it, all experience here. Exactly how I'm going to get out of this. We're going to look for signs. If the market opens positive tomorrow, we're going to cut our losses right away. As high as implied volatility is still high, usually around 935 is the peak of that. After that, it's all downhill. Data is going to decay our contracts massively if we're not in the money. With the 301s, we got to be at least, not this one, because this one's next week, but this one over here, we got to be at least $1 in the money in order for us to turn a profit. So we got to look at 300 for us, you know, to make $1 out of this, which we're still going to lose because our average cost on this is actually $1.95. And the SPY to drop 2 points in order for us to break even on this, is that going to happen? Most likely it will. Let's see what happens. These contracts were extremely high up before the Fed came in. Again, this massive downpull. If you guys correlate to the SPY, this is exactly what happened. I am pretty optimistic regarding tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Again, guys, I'm very thankful that every single one of you is following me on this journey, asking me questions. Stay tuned. I am going to post another video on Friday, and then we'll get to that as soon as possible. We're about 24 hours away from that video. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, comment with any questions, and I will answer them. Again, guys, today was a great day. We did end up making a small profit. Small profit is better than a large loss or even a small loss, so I'll take it. See you guys tomorrow.